Here's a statement that will annoy half the AI engineering community. Memory is not RAG. RAG retrieves documents. Memory remembers you, your preferences, your contradictions, the thing you said last Tuesday that overrides what you said last month. Supermemory is an 18,000 star open source memory engine that makes this distinction concrete. It's number one on three major benchmarks: LongMem-Evil, Locomo, and ConvoMem. It extracts facts from conversations, builds user profiles in 50 milliseconds, handles contradictions automatically, and even forgets information when it expires. Let's look at how it works. Supermemory is a state-of-the-art memory and context engine for AI applications. Built in TypeScript as a monorepo, it provides persistent memory across conversations by extracting facts, building and maintaining user profiles, and managing knowledge updates over time. The key insight is that memory is fundamentally different from retrieval-augmented generation. RAG takes a query, searches a document store, and returns relevant chunks. It's stateless. It doesn't know who's asking or what they've said before. Memory extraction captures facts about the user, their preferences, their history, their contradictions. It resolves conflicting information and automatically forgets expired data. The result is a user profile with stable facts plus recent activity that can be retrieved in about 50 milliseconds. This runs as a service with SDKs for Node and Python, MCP support for Claude and Cursor, and connectors for Google Drive, Gmail, Notion, OneDrive, and GitHub. Let's browse the repo. Supermemory is structured as a turbo monorepo with apps, packages, and skills directories. The apps directory contains the web interface and consumer applications. Packages houses the core libraries and SDKs. This is where the memory extraction, search, and profile generation live. The skills directory contains agent skills used for benchmarking. The project uses Bun as the package manager and Biome for linting. You can see from the README that this is a well-documented project with comprehensive API examples, benchmark results, and integration guides for every major AI framework. The memory system works in 3 layers. Layer 1 is extraction. When you add content, a conversation, a document, a file, Supermemory extracts structured facts. Not keywords, not embeddings, actual facts. User prefers dark mode. User switched from Postgres to SQLite on March 10th. User's team uses 2-week sprints. These facts have temporal awareness, so if you later say you switched back to Postgres, the old fact gets updated, not duplicated. Layer 2 is profile generation. All extracted facts are assembled into a user profile with 2 components: stable facts that rarely change and recent activity that represents the last few interactions. This profile is retrieved in about 50 milliseconds. Layer 3 is hybrid search. When you query Supermemory, you can combine profile retrieval with RAG-style document search in a single call. This means you get personalized, context-aware results that know who's asking, not just what's being asked. The benchmarks are what make Supermemory impossible to ignore. Number 1 on LongMem-Evil, with 81.6% accuracy for long-term memory retention. Number 1 on Locomo for fact recall across conversations. And number 1 on ConvoMem for personalization and preference learning. These aren't cherry-picked metrics. They're the standard benchmarks the memory research community uses to evaluate whether a system actually remembers information over extended interactions. Being number 1 on all 3 means Supermemory is the current state of the art for AI memory, period. Supermemory isn't just for chat conversations. It has real-time connectors for Google Drive, Gmail, Notion, OneDrive, and GitHub. These sync your documents and communications into the memory engine, so your AI assistant knows about the report you wrote last week or the email thread from this morning. The multi-modal processing pipeline handles PDFs, images with OCR, videos with transcription, and code with AST-aware parsing. This means you can feed it a PDF spec, a whiteboard photo, a recorded meeting, and a code repository, and it extracts structured facts from all of them into the same unified memory ontology. Installation is 1 line for MCP. npx install MCP with the Supermemory URL and your client of choice. For programmatic use, npm install Supermemory or pip install Supermemory. The API is clean. Client.add stores content with a container tag for user isolation. Client.profile retrieves the user profile with optional search in 1 call. Client.search.memories does hybrid memory search. Client.documents.upload file handles multimodal uploads. It integrates with every major AI framework: Versal AI SDK, LangChain, LangGraph, OpenAI Agents SDK, Mastra, Agno, and Claude's native memory tool. And it works as an MCP server for Claude Desktop, Cursor, VS Code, Claude Code, OpenCode, and OpenClaw. The integration story covers every major AI development framework. Versal AI SDK for Next.js applications. LangChain and LangGraph for agent pipelines. OpenAI Agents SDK for GPT-powered workflows. Mastra and Agno for newer agent frameworks. Claude's native memory tool for Anthropic integrations. And N8N for no-code automation. On the client side, Supermemory works as an MCP server with Claude Desktop, Cursor, Windsurf, VS Code, Claude Code, OpenCode, and OpenClaw. This means regardless of your stack, your development environment, or your preferred AI model, Supermemory plugs in. The unified ontology ensures your memory works the same way whether it's accessed through a Node SDK, a Python library, or an MCP tool. Supermemory is free, open source, MIT licensed, one line to install as an MCP server, SDKs for Node and Python. Number 1 on 3 benchmarks. Links in the description. Subscribe to Prism Labs for more AI agent tools every week. See you in the next one.